Hello guys, what's up? So I'm using spider on face Snapchat filter. This is a original filter by Snapchat. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get this filter. So let me turn the camera. Okay, you can visit this website. This link to this website you can find in the description box below. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can just scan the code with your Snapchat mobile app. Now on the pop-up, tap on unlock for 24 hours. As this is original filter, you can unlock it for 24 hours only. Okay, and this is the filter. Sorry, this is the filter. And suppose you are browsing this website in your mobile device. Then this is the website, and you can see the filter here, and you can see the filter code here. Tap on the filter code and unlock your Snapchat. Tap on unlock for 24 hours. Okay, and your filter is open. So that's it guys. Likewise you can find the spider on face filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.